Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing some of my favorite winter skincare tips as well as sharing some of my favorite products that are now a regular part of my winter skincare regime. Now, winter is really not fun for our skin because of the cold weather as well as the humidity that results in dry air. It steals away the moisture from our skin, and without immediate care, it can lead to cracking and chapping of our skin. So keep watching this video to know how to best protect your skin during winter. So I received this hamper from Himalaya India a couple of weeks ago, and this is part of the Himalaya Winter Bundle. So I'm going to show you what all is inside this hamper as well as tell you my favorite Himalaya products that are now part of my winter skincare regime. So the first product we have in the hamper is the Soothing Body Lotion, and this one is for dry skin and it has grapeseed and almond oil. Next we have is the Cocoa Butter Intensive Body Lotion, and this one is for extra dry skin and it has cocoa butter and wheat germ. Next we have the Nourishing Body Lotion, and this one is for normal skin and has aloe vera and winter cherry. So those were the body lotions that were in the Himalaya hamper. Now coming to the face creams, first of all we have the Nourishing Skin Cream. Now this is a light and non-greasy formula and it has ingredients like the Indian quinoa tree, aloe vera and winter cherry. Next we have the Winter Defense Moisturizing Cream. Now this one is for dry and extra dry skin and it has jojoba oil, wheat germ and almond oil. Next we have the Himalaya Revitalizing Night Cream. Now this one restores moisture balance, nourishes and repairs, and it has white lily and tomato. Next we have the Clear Complexion Whitening Day Cream, and this one lightens your skin tone as well as has UV protection, and this has ingredients like licorice as well as the white dammer. Now coming to the lip balms, next we have the Natural Soft Vanilla Lip Balm, and this has 100% natural vitamin E as well as antioxidants that help to moisturize dry lips during winter. Next we have the Strawberry Shine Lip Balm, and this one is great because it has a moisture retention formula that helps to keep your lips really soft as well as well nourished during those winter months. And also is a great thing is that it's really naturally glossy, so it gives that little shine to your lips too. Also in the Himalaya hamper was this grey blanket shawl, and this is sure to keep me warm and cozy this winter. Next we have these socks in this really cute festive packaging. Next we have this chic black sling bag that's really perfect for the party season. So the last thing in the Himalaya India hamper was this calendar for 2017. So that was for all the interesting products that were part of the Himalaya India hamper. Now I'm going to share my favorite ones for winter. Now let me tell you guys that one of the reasons I really like using Himalaya products is because they're absolutely herbal in nature and they cause no irritation to my skin. So the first product that I absolutely love is the Nourishing Skin Cream. Now this has become a very important part of my winter skincare regime, and it's a great light non-greasy formula that's a great daily use cream, and it provides me all day moisturizing nourishment as well as protection. So this Nourishing Skin Cream is blended with extracts of aloe vera, Indian quinoa tree as well as winter cherry, and really helps your skin be protected from pollution as well as dry weather, and it also provides nourishment as well as moisture. The aloe vera is known for its healing properties. It's also a natural UV inhibitor. It also has hydrating, softening and moisturizing properties that really help to nourish your skin. The winter cherry in the cream is an effective anti-stress agent, so whenever I have really long shoot days, I make sure that I apply this cream during the day and get out. And another thing is that the winter cherry in skincare is used for its antioxidant action because it helps in skin cell regeneration. The Indian quinoa tree has astringent properties that works as a skin tonic to tone and rejuvenate facial skin. So the next product that I love from Himalaya is the Strawberry Shine Lip Balm, and this is something that I make sure I carry in my handbag all throughout winter, and I keep reapplying it during the day. And the great thing about it is it keeps my lips really well moisturized as well as soft and supple. And the great thing about this lip balm is that it has a moisture retention formula as well as skin soothers that help to make my lips look really naturally glossy. So this lip balm is enriched with 100% natural color. It has vitamin E and antioxidants that help protect my lips from environmental damage. Another great thing is that it's free from any kind of preservatives, petroleum jelly, mineral oil and silicone. Now to take care of the skin on my body during winter, I absolutely love Himalaya's Cocoa Butter Intensive Body Lotion. Now this is something that I make sure that I use twice a day during winter. Once during the morning time after my bath, as well as once before I hit the bed. Now this works really well to moisturize and soften really dry skin like mine, and I absolutely love the ingredients of cocoa butter and wheat germ because this really helps soften and nourish my skin during winter. The last product from Himalaya that's become a regular part of my winter skincare regime is the Winter Defense Moisturizing Cream. Now this really provides my skin with the additional moisture that it requires during the winter months, and it has an effective blend of herbal extracts that nourishes even the really dry areas of my skin. So it is enriched with wheat germ, which is a natural source of vitamin E that helps protect the skin from environmental damage. It has jojoba oil that repairs dry skin and almond oil that deeply nourishes dry skin. Now all of this makes sure that your skin is soft and supple even during the harshest winter months. Now I'd like to share some of my personal skincare tips that have worked really well for me during the winter months. Wash in lukewarm water. Now, during winter, having hot showers and baths can really feel good, but try making sure as much as possible, particularly when you're washing your face and your hands, to use lukewarm water to not strip away as many oils from your skin. Moisturize immediately after a shower. Though during the winter months your skin requires a lot of moisture, but even after you have a bath or a shower, it's important to moisturize because when your skin is damp and you apply the moisturizer, it helps to seal in the moisture into the skin even better. Protect. Now don't forget your sunscreen because remember that the winter sun can be just as harsh as the summer sun, so make sure that you apply your sunscreen generously to exposed areas. Hydrate. Now during winter we tend to drink a little less water and we turn to hot drinks like cocoa and tea, but remember that you need to hydrate from the inside out for your skin. So a little warm water with lemon, it can be really hydrating as well as refreshing at the same time. Exfoliate. Now make sure that you remove the dead skin cells during winter, particularly from your hands, because remember that the moisture is not going to get into your skin if there are too many dead skin cells. Now you can use exfoliating masks that can be used particularly on your face as well as your hands and gently on your lips, and after that you apply your moisturizer and you'll see a visible difference. Now exfoliating body washes are also really great during the winter months. So that's it for my skincare tips for winter as well as my favorite products during the winter months. I hope that you keep your skin healthy, hydrated and well nourished this winter. You too can get yourself some winter goodies from Himalaya. I'm going to provide the link in the description box below. If you've liked this video and found it really useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments below as well as don't forget to subscribe to my channel.